Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get a floating mobile or Wi-Fi Netspeed Displayer in any Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for one application named as Net Up Down by BYSYK, and on the first list you will see its developer website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below, and now you will see here releases. Just click on it. Now here you will see one file, .net up down apk file. You need to download this file. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on open. Now just click on install. Click on open. Now you will see here some instructions written above. You can read it if you want to read, or you can follow my video tutorials. And even you can see here, you need to enable this option. Now just turn on this upstream, move back, and now you will see here on the above a floating mobile or Wi-Fi Netspeed Displayer. As you can see here, how much KB, MB or bytes per second it's using. So you can just place it anywhere on your mobile or tablet screen. You can place it anywhere, even you can place it on the center. So now you can see, and if you double click on it, now it will show you the data uses. So how much data has been used or how much Wi-Fi internet has been used here, it will show you. And if you want to move back to the net speed option, then just double click on it again. Now it will move back to the speed mode. Now it will show you back the Netspeed Displayer. And now if you want to exit it, then just triple tap on it. 1, 2, 3. So now you can see it has been disabled or exited. And if you want to run it again, then just relaunch the application and just enable this option. Now you will see here the floating mobile or Wi-Fi Netspeed Displayer will show up again, as you can see here. So by using this application named as Net Up Down, you can easily get a floating mobile or Wi-Fi Netspeed Displayer in any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.